Another UFO was seen near Trump, but this time it was seen nearly colliding with the jet itself. As you can see, the UFO shot past at such a speed even the camera had difficulty focusing on it. Fox News is lucky enough to catch it and show it on national TV today. It looks like Waring found the original and am placing it at the bottom of this video, but pause at the times 150 and 255, and you will see them. Last year we reported a UFO that was seen near the Trump helicopter, and I told you then, and no one believed me, that if aliens were watch Trump, then it means he will get elected. It happened as I said it would. And now, again, we see Trump landing at the airport with an alien escort to watch over him. Now, the big question is Trump where he is today, because aliens were helping him achieve it?